Nature. Now this is a very small poem, Nature, which we are going to learn today. Now what is nature? Nature is most precious gift given by God. The God has provided us with beautiful flowers, attractive birds, animals, green plants, blue sky, land, running rivers, sea, forest, air, mountains, etc. These things are not made by man. These things are not made by man. These things are made by God. So, the things which are not made by man and are made by God is called nature. That means the God has created the nature. Nature is might, nature is strong. What do you mean by nature is might, nature is strong? This means that nature have power, nature have strength, nature have force. You can't do anything in front of the nature. Why you can't do anything in front of the nature? Because the nature is having power, strength and force. You can't control the nature. Nature can control you, but you can't control the nature. Nature is beauty, nature is moody. Nature is beauty, nature is moody means nature has beauty. Nature is very beautiful. Nature is having beautiful flowers, gardens, rivers, lakes, mountains. So, nature is very beautiful. That is why it is said nature is beauty. Because nature is having beautiful things. Nature is moody. Why nature is moody? It depends upon the nature. When the nature feels like giving the rain, we have the rain. When nature wants snowfall, nature will give snowfall. When the nature wants hot sun, so there is a hot sun. You can't do anything. You don't have control on the nature. That's why it is said nature is moody. Nature is smart, nature is blue. Now nature is smart. Why the nature is smart? Because nature is very clean and tidy. That's why the nature is smart. The nature look attractive. How? When you take bath early in the morning and when you wear new clothes and nice clothes, you also look smart, na? You also look attractive. So same thing is with nature. Nature is smart. Why nature is smart? Because it is clean and tidy. We people make the nature dirty by throwing dirty things around our surroundings. So you should not make your surrounding dirty. You should keep your surroundings clean. Now nature is blue. Why nature is blue? When you look up in the sky, it's look blue in color. The ocean is blue. That is why it is said that nature is blue. Nature is green. Nature is true. Nature is green. Nature is true. Nature is green means the parks, garden, forest, everything is green. We are having greenery. That is why nature is green. Now nature is true. That means nature is loyal, nature is faithful. True means nature is loyal and faithful. How nature is loyal and faithful? Because nature is our best friend. Nature is our best friend because nature provides us all the resources to live. It gives us water to drink, pure air to breathe, food to eat, land to stay, animals, plants for our uses. That is why the nature is loyal and faithful. Where nature is giving us so many things. Think what we are giving back to nature. We are not giving anything back to nature. So we should take care of the nature because nature is true. Nature is loyal. Nature is faithful. Nature is you. Nature is me. Now what do you mean by nature is you? Nature is me? Nature is you means the God has created you. Nature is me means even the God has created me. So we are the creation of God. So that means we are also included in the nature because we people also are God made. So God has made us. So this means nature is you, nature is me. Nature will forever be free. Nature will forever be free means nature is going to be free to we people in our long life. It was free, it will be always free. The God has given this gift to we people free of cost. Now here I said you before that nature is our best friend. Nature is our best friend. The nature give us so many things and free. Nature take care of we people. So we should also take care of the nature. We should take care of our planet. So I hope you all have enjoyed my small poem Nature. Bye.